Hi there, in this video we are going to go over how to leave encounter notes. Now I have our staging environment up, so that means there's no patient information that is portrayed in this video. Now if you wanted to leave an encounter note, say for example a healthcare provider performed a treatment, then you would want to navigate to the GFE tab, click the consultation for the appropriate patient, and then go to the sub-tab on the right corner, Encounter Notes. Once you're here, you can click Create Encounter Note. There are a series of templates here, and you can choose, let's say, for example, we will choose neuromodulator treatment, which can be Botox, Jeuveau, Daxxify. Now this has a template here to leave your notes to make things very easy. You can put the amount of units in specific areas, lot number, expiration date. There is no save. It automatically saves in real time. So I'm going to go ahead and click back. Going back to Encounter Notes, and it will timestamp, date, and name the procedure note for you. If you wanted to delete it and start over, you can absolutely do that by clicking Remove. If you do not see the Add New Encounter Note button, please keep in mind that it can only be done on completed GFEs. So once those GFEs are viewed by a prescriber, as well as going into the settings for account, staff, and making sure that they have the permission to do so. So going down to medical records, and it should have manage encounter notes right here, this one toggled on. I hope this video is helpful. Please let your account manager know if you need any further assistance.